But I guess you don't understand robot. Alright, so let's test how far away I need to go before you stop hearing me. Okay.
This is a toy megaphone. I got it for under $10 and I thought it was a fun megaphone because it does voice changing, which is a very cool feature. But voice changing is all it does. But I thought to myself, let's modify this thing to turn it into a monstrosity so people can hear me from afar away. It's going to be scary, it's going to be spooky, but let's do it.
Megaphone actually allows you to record your voice, and basically it's not a long time, but this megaphone actually allows you to record your voice. This megaphone actually allows you to record your voice. This megaphone actually allows you to record your voice, and basically it's not a long time, but it's quite a cool feature. So it's about to time out right? It's so recorded, so going strong. When it taps out, you must stop. This megaphone actually allows you to record.
Okay, so I'm going to be modifying it using this home siren. As you can see, siren horn, DC 12 volts at 15 watts, one tone. Now, one tone means that it has a programmed tone. So when you connect the battery, it's going to make a siren. So, negative and then positive. Listen. That's the noise it makes, and it's quite loud, right? So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up and I'm going to remove that device, the control box inside that makes it do that noise, and then I'm going to wire it directly to the speaker, and then I'm going to connect that other megaphone and see the outcome. Would it be good or would it be bad? This is the modified megaphone. So it was a toy before, and now it's just a deadly weapon. Yeah, a deadly weapon. So basically I took security siren. I removed the electronics from inside the siren that made the siren in the first place. Now I removed that control module, and then I wired it directly to the speaker itself. So now I can actually use the siren as a speaker and not as a siren. Get it? Okay, so this is the modified siren. So basically, when I started the modification, it was already good. But eventually I said, you know what? I need more features. So basically, I decided to connect an amplifier because I'm going to use the siren as a speaker. So I'm going to play music through the siren as well. So basically what I decided to do is I cut the wires for the siren, and what I was going to do is when I wanted the megaphone, I was going to connect the wires to the megaphone, use it as a megaphone, and then when I wanted it as a speaker, I would connect it to the amplifier and use it as a beautiful speaker. But you know what? I had a genius idea. Why not use the amplifier itself to do both, right? So what I'm doing right now is this toy megaphone, the output signal is actually going to this aux jack right here. This aux jack. So the aux jack connects to the amplifier, right? So, and then the siren itself is connected to the amplifier. So basically, when I want to use the megaphone, all I have to do is select aux on the amplifier, and boom, I got myself a megaphone. But if I want to play music, all I have to do is just change the mode to either Bluetooth or an SD card or USB. There's so many features. All right, so it uses a 11.1 volt battery. I'm using 11.1 volt battery, so it means it actually takes a 12 volt battery. So I'm going to connect it right here. Boom, look, the amplifier is on. It's already starting to play music, but we're going to use the megaphone, right? Now I'm going to increase the volume to maximum, right? Okay. Now I'm going to move away because it's quite loud. So it's already very loud. So yeah. So can you hear me? Okay. Yeah. So this is what it sounds like. Yeah, it's already so loud, and I can change the modes, so I can do a robot. Yeah. Okay, that's a bit too loud, and I can do. Oh boy. Hi. How you doing? Yeah, okay, it's just going haywire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk maybe a distance away, a short distance away, and let's see if you can hear me. Because when this was a toy, I could only go like maybe a few meters away and then the sound disappears. But now, let's see how far I can go. Even a normal microphone is like, you have to be like somewhere here, but this far, like, look how far I am, huh? Ah, that's ridiculous. My theory is basically, the power from the amplifier is going through the aux jack, super powering the megaphone itself, giving me that extra capability that it's demonstrating. Because before it couldn't even do that. You had to talk like super close, but now the capabilities are just next level. Alright, now I'm going to play a song so you can hear the capabilities of the siren. Alright, so change mode.
Radio mode.
Alright, that's
Bluetooth mode.
That's Bluetooth.
SD card mode.
consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. I hope you like this overpowered megaphone that I actually made. Yep, it's on the cheaper side, but when have you ever seen a cool megaphone that can do some killer voice changing? Yeah, put your hands up!